dear student. I, Dr. Sugandha Kangarwag, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, giving Introduction to Physics B.Sc second year, semester 3. Now, here we prefer the online study. Today, online study is most important compared to the offline study, we can say chalkboard study, because the coronavirus is entered in our life, and to avoid gathering, the online study is most useful. So, you can study hard, you will study hard at your home and stay safe. So, here that session is about the introduction to physics, B.Sc second year, semester 3. So, all of you welcome to the B.Sc second year, semester 3. So, the outline of today's session are course objectives, syllabus that is covered in the B.Sc second year physics, then the examination scheme means how much marks will be allotted to you, that is included in examination scheme, then question paper pattern also, then explanation of topics unit wise, that is syllabus is also included in this session, and which books you have to refer for your study is also included in this session. So, the course objective is to provide an introduction about the fundamental concepts in physics, have sufficient background in area of physics for various competitive exams, and have a detailed knowledge of physics for research and development purpose. So, we will discuss all these course objectives one by one. So, the syllabus consists of 6 units, that is physics of B.Sc second year third sem having 6 units. So, first unit, see here the unit is given here, the mathematical background and electrostatic, it consists of 12 marks, and question 2 and 3 in the question paper can be asked on this unit. As per lecture scheme, the 12 lecture is required to complete this unit, but as per our experience we required 16 or 17 lectures to complete this. Then unit 2, which is depends on the magnetostatic and Maxwell equation, and that unit is related to the question 4 or question 5, means half of the unit for question 4 and half of the unit for question 5, or the questions may be mixed with each other, and these questions of 12 marks can be asked in the university examination. As per the university scheme, it also required 12 lectures, but actually it requires 15 or 17 lectures. I written here 15 only. Now see here unit 3, solid state electronic devices, which is related to the semiconductor. So, the question 6 and question 7, which is fully depends on this unit, and this question 6 and 7 also consist of 12 mark each. There may be options, that is A, B, C and so on, but the whole question is of 12 mark. So, as per scheme, university examination scheme, it required 12 lectures, but actually we required 15 or 16 lectures to complete the unit. Here also, this is unit number 4, solid state electronic devices 2, question number 8 or question number 9 may be asked on this unit and having 12 mark. As per the university lecture scheme, 12 number of lectures required, but we required 14 or maybe more than 14, that number is tentative. Now, unit 5 is the special theory of relativity. As per scheme, the question 10 and 11 can be asked on this unit, that is unit number 5, and in same way it has 12 marks, that is question 10 and question 11 having 12 marks. There may be options of A, B, C, D and so on. And as per the lecture scheme, it required 12 lectures, but the tentatively it requires 15 or more than 15. Then this is the unit number 6, atmosphere and geophysics. So question 12 and question 13 will be asked on this unit, and also it consists of 12 marks. As per the university lecture scheme, there are 12 lectures required for this unit, but actually we required 15 lectures tentatively. Now these syllabus here are designed from question number 2, but what about question number 1? So in question number, see this note student, the question number 1 is of 8 marks from all units, means it do not it do not consist only the questions from unit 1 or unit 2, but this question may ask from all units. So as per the university lecture scheme, total lectures required are 72, but tentative we required 90 or above 90. Now examination scheme for theory. The examination, total examination is of 100 marks. Here the university theory exam is of 80 marks, and internal marks are 20. So your internal marks are completely depends on your regularity, that is we can say attendance, then the home assignment that you will submit in the department to the respective teacher, then unit test that we will take time to time, unit test evaluation, and also pre-university text. So in this way, including all these, that is the internal mark 20 and university examination is of 80 marks, the total marks for theory is 100 marks. Now examination scheme for practical, the practical having 50 marks. So here also it is also bifurcated into two, that is university practical examination. University practical examination is of 30 marks, and internal practical marks, that is 20 marks. So university practical examination is depends on your performance. Maybe performance consists of 20 marks and 10 marks for viva as per given in the syllabus. And here internal practical marks depends on your attendance and your practical record, well check practical record. So in this way, including internal practical marks and the university practical exam, the total marks for practical is 50. Now what is the question paper pattern? How the question will be asked in the university examination? See here, I written only the question numbers and its option, not written question. So here there are some instructions. Your question paper is of 3 hours, then maximum marks are 80. Then there are some instructions, that is you have to necessary to solve all the questions and draw neat and well labeled diagram whenever necessary. Now see here question 1, that is included in the in the syllabus but not described well. So here I describe question number 1. See here question number 1 is related to, first is, that is question number 1A is related to fill in the blank here, and it has 4 options, each question having half marks. So total marks on question 1A are 2. Then question 1B is on choose the correct alternatives, means A, B, C, D. Some choices will be given to you and you will choose any one choice from this A, B, C, D. So here 4 questions will be asked, and each question having half mark, means the total question or total marks on question number 1B are 2 marks. Again the question number 1C is the answer in one sentence each, means there will be also 4 questions, and these 4 questions consist of 1 mark each. So total marks for question number 1C are 4 marks. So in this way the 8 marks covered the question number 1. Then we have already discussed about the question number 2 and question number 3. See here, question number 2 and question number 3 having choices A, not choices, compulsory questions A, B, C, either of 2 or 3 marks or 4 marks in this way. But question number 2 A, B, C having 12 marks. There may be bifurcation of 4, 3, 5, 4, 1, 2, 4, 4, 4 and in this way. In same way, this question number 2 and 3 will be asked on unit 1 only. We can say the half part of unit 1 for question number 2 and other half part for question number 3, but sometimes it may include both the parts, that is first part and second part in both the questions, that is question number 2 or question number 3. Now see question number 4 and 5 here. The question number 4 and 5 is related to unit 2, means from on unit 2 the question number 4 and question number 5 will be asked. Therefore, question number 4 is either question and the question number 5 is or for the question number 4, and that is from unit 2. It also having 12 marks. Now see here question number 6 and question number 7. This is from unit number 3 and it also have 12 marks. See here options are given A, B, C having different marking, but total marks for A, B, C, that is for question number 6 or question number 7 are 12. Now see here question number 8 and 9. Question number 8 or question number 9 on for unit 4, it also have 12 mark here. Then options are given, that is for either question. Options means the bifurcation of question number 8 either is A, B, C and or is P, Q, R, but the total marks for these questions are 12 marks. Then question number 10 or 11 is on unit number 5 that I will take, that is special theory of relativity. It also having bifurcation, that is question number 10A, B, C in this way, but the total marks for the question is 12 here, and for our question also total marks are 12. And now the last two questions, that is the question number 12 or 13, that is related to the last unit, that is the unit number 6, geophysics we can say. So that question number 12 also consists of 12 marks, and bifurcation is also given here, that is ABC, and for or question number 13 bifurcation is given in the form of question number 13P, question number 13Q, question number 13R in this way, and it also having 12 marks. Now the syllabus is given, that is the unit wise in the form of unit wise explanation. See this unit 1. Unit 1 is related to the mathematical background and electrostatic, which has 12 marks. See, in this unit having 12 marks, but in question 1 there are 8 marks, and that can be asked. We can't say that question is from unit number 1 or unit number 2. That question will take from any unit. So the total marks for this unit is 12. It may be 13 or 14 tentatively as per the question paper setting. Then there is the function, that is gradient, divergence and curl of vector field and its physical significance, lines, surface and volume integral, flux of electric field, Gauss divergence theorem and Stokes theorem, work done on charge in electrostatic field, force on moving charge, Lorentz force equation and definition of magnetic field, Ampere's law and its applications, and last part is numerical, that I have already discussed with you, that is it consists of it required tentative 15 or 16 lectures, but as per the university lecture scheme 12 lectures are given to this unit. Now another unit is related to the magnetostatic and Maxwell equation. This is also of 12 marks. The introduction, then the Faraday's law, displacement current, Maxwell's electromagnetic equation, plane electromagnetic wave, Poynting vector and Poynting theorem, and numericals on it. Now third unit is related to the, that is third unit is depends on solid state electronic devices 1. First is related to the introduction to semiconductors, then the charge carrier and electric conduction through the semiconductors, doping concept, extrinsic semiconductor and energy level diagram, then the drift current in semiconductor, mobility and conductivity, Hall effect, semiconductor diode and its biasing, light emitting diode and varactor diode, numericals. So all these contents are included in unit number 3. Now the unit number 4, which is also related to the solid state electronics devices, that is we can say as solid state electronic devices 2. It includes introduction to bipolar junction transistor, that is BJT, working of bipolar junction transistor, modes of operation, characteristic of bipolar junction transistor, current gain alpha and beta and their relations, junction field effect transistor, that is JFET, characteristic of FET, difference amplifier, IC operational amplifier, that is op amp, electrical parameter of op amp, applications of op amp and numericals. Now this is unit number 5 that I will take, the spatial theory of relativity. It includes its introduction, then postulates of spatial theory of relativity, then Lorentz transformation, length contraction concept, then time dilation, relativistic addition of velocities, relativity of mass, Einstein mass energy relation and its numericals. And last unit of your syllabus is the atmosphere, that is the unit 6, atmosphere and geophysics. Here it includes structure of earth, introduction, internal structure of earth, then part of earth as a planet, introduction, the atmosphere, the lithosphere, the hydrosphere, composition of atmosphere, then earthquake concept, how the earthquake occurs, introduction, cause of earthquakes, terminologies associated with earthquake, type of earthquake, scale of intensities of earthquake, recording of earthquake. Now radiation in the atmosphere, propagation of energy through vacuum, intensity of radiation, scattering, absorption and reflection, moisture, clouds and its questions. So this unit, I feel this unit is very much interesting, that you also will feel interesting unit because it is fully related to the earth, how the earthquake occurs, what is the internal structure of earth and what is the internal structure of earth, then how the part of earth acts as a planet and all these, how the radiation in atmosphere spread, how the energy propagates through the vacuum, intensity of radiation and all, and that's why I will decided to take this I am decided to take this unit first. Now this is the syllabus. Dear student, you can write down the syllabus in your copy and make a separate copy for physics for B.Sc second year, that is the third semester. Now the reference book to study this, the reference books are mentioned here, list of reference book is mentioned here, that is a textbook of applied physics by M.N. Avadhanulu, S. Chand and company. Then you can also refer the V.K. Sevane textbook of physics. Then all these references, that is a course in electromagnetic field by S.W. Anwane, BPB publication New Delhi is also given in reference. Then relativity by Goel and Gupta, and solid state devices and electronics by Kamal Singh ma'am and SP Singh, Chan publication. Along with these, I will provide you the notes time to time. Okay, so do study, do study hard, stay home, stay safe, and share your screen, your mobile with your friend if they do not have it. Thank you so much.